My name is Hans Schultz. I am the president of Geisenheim University in Germany. The publication in one was specifically on soil carbon storage, which is one of the main issues currently in agricultural policies. How to encourage agriculturists and viticulturists to store more carbon in the soil. And the background is that if one could increase the soil storage capacity in carbon by 0.4% a year, largely the planetary agriculture would be capable of buffering the CO2 emissions of the planet. I'm not a soil scientist, but currently agricultural policy with respect to greenhouse gas emissions and storage capacity of soil carbon is a very, very big focus of international politics. In order to have an idea whether this is actually practical or not, you have to really look into it. And this was the reason I did it. Well, actually, it's a survey on what policy is actually requiring and what will happen in the future in terms of public policy on carbon storage in soils. And an analysis, actually, can we achieve this in viticulture with a specific focus on some examples from some countries and some simulations under different viticultural cultivation practices. And there's some doubt, really some doubt of whether we can actually achieve this in all viticultural areas on the planet. We might have to develop a lot of specific practices to achieve the goal. We need to get together on an international basis to work more on developing models which can actually simulate how much carbon can be stored under different practices, and for the practical community to have some of the results they can use in order to achieve these type of goals, because at the current state, no matter where you are, you're not sure what to do in terms of increased carbon storage in the soil and decrease greenhouse gas emissions. It is very important to do this with different climate scenarios and for different regions, because they're all so different and different varieties, different soil types and so forth. So that is actually one of the major and very urgent things to do.